Welcome to today's version of Cooking with Johnny during our hashtag stay at home. Well, today what I'm going to do is going to be a little boring one, but it's okay. I actually got my Easter ham, but it's after Easter and I am going to cook my Easter ham. The only issue is my wife yelled at me because I bought the wrong ham. I didn't get the free one. I got this one and I still had to pay like 18 bucks for it. So it's like a $40 ham, so this thing better be good and I better not mess it up. Now with the ham today, we're gonna stay real basic, man. Real basic. I got potatoes, so I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes, bought some green beans, so we're gonna have cooked ham with a brown sugar honey maple glaze, mashed potatoes, green beans. Nothing like an all-American traditional hashtag stay at home meal. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I have my oven at 350. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna cover it with the gold foil that they had given me. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. It wants me to do it for 10 minutes per pound. So I have an 8-pound ham, 10 minutes, 80 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is cook it time for half, then I'm gonna make a glaze. All right, I have my ham cooking, and now I'm gonna make the glaze for the covering of the ham. Time to make the glaze. So what I have here is a 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. It's packed pretty good. And I'm gonna use some clover honey that I was able to find. And still I'm gonna be a little safe, so I'm only gonna put a little allspice in. I'm not gonna spice it up, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, keep it nice and simple, and basically be very traditional today. All right, so I'm just gonna pour my brown sugar in. Now it wants a 1/2 cup of honey. We're gonna have to guess about this. Sometimes I just don't use measurements. That's why I don't bake. Measurements are overrated. All right, we're just gonna let this mix up. Mix this guy up. We want everything to melt. It's not that I want to cook this, I just want it to melt. I just took the ham out of the oven. I'm going to remove the foil. Just want to feel this guy, see how it is. Well, it's feeling nice. And now all of our brown sugar glaze is all melted. And I will just pour her right on top and let her just drip down. Look at all that goodness. I'm also going to add about 3 cups of water to the bottom of the pan because I don't want all that sugar to stick, and hopefully it'll create a little bit more moisture. Yeah, boy! All right, back into the oven for 40 more minutes. All right, while my ham cooks, I'm going to start making my mashed potatoes. Now, the thing I do with my mashed potatoes, nothing special. I just cube them. I boil them for probably about 15-20 minutes till they get nice and soft. Then I just mash them up with some butter, put some nutmeg in, and then I whip them up to shape. A little salt and pepper, maybe a little more nutmeg. That's what I like, the nutmeg in there. So basically, again, pretty simple meal today. Real happy with the way this came out. So far so good. I like the way the brown sugar caramelized on the outside, so that's pretty good. That'll add a nice little twist to it. What I'm going to do now is we're going to let this guy sit for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil. And while I do that, I'm going to get the string beans going. Alrighty, green beans. I got some fresh green beans from the ShopRite today. And since I had a little bit of extra ginger, we're gonna make some ginger flavored green beans to go along with the ham and the potatoes, as I've mentioned. So what I have here also, I got a little bit of just Japanese sesame oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in there, not too much. I'll put some other oil in there just to mix that up some. Put a little more extra oil in here. Put a little extra oil here. A little bit. So I want to get the ginger going pretty good. So we'll get that ginger, get that flavor going a little bit. A little butter in, it's all right. And that's it. I'm just going to cook these up probably about 5 minutes. I like them a little burnt, so to speak. I'm not a green bean person. Ange loves them, but we do these things for love, don't we? So I make them, I'll eat them, cook them up for about 5, maybe 8 minutes, and they'll be done. Alrighty, I'm done. Everything is ready, everything is on the table, and I can't wait to eat. So here it is, right there behind me. My ham, my potatoes, my GG, and my green beans. So I'll have what I did down below in the notes. And like I've always said, I am not a professional cook, so if it doesn't come out right, don't yell at me. I just try to do this because I love to cook. So I like it, it works for me, it works for Ange, and I get to have some leftovers. So thanks for watching. Peace out, Cub Scout. Boom.